Today we are going to be talking about bronzers.
We are going to be putting a high-end bronzer and an affordable bronzer to the test and see which one performs better and whether the price is worth it or not.
I have the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder with me right now and in the shade Deep Brown, which is costing me around 4,000 rupees.
And I have with me over here the Sugar Contour Their First palette. This retails for 800 rupees, but guys, for 800 you get a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. So I think it's pretty affordable and I'm excited to see if it works.
So let's try it.
Let's begin. What do you think of the shade?
I think it's going with my skin tone because I have a very, olivey Indian skin tone with a warm undertone. So this deep brown is actually, enhancing my features very instantly. I literally use very little of this product. So yeah, I think I really like the shade. What about you?
So in terms of the Sugar palette, this one is in the shade Subtle Submit 01, and Sugar is actually an Indian cosmetic brand, so you'd think that they'd make products that suit Indian skin tones, but I do feel like the bronzer for this one is really light, but I really like the blush and the highlighter shade, so that's why I think this palette is a keeper. But the bronzer could have been a little bit darker or deeper, so if your skin tone is like mine or like Vaishnavi's, then you should totally go for a shade darker instead of this one. What I feel is that I did have to go back again and again and pick up the product and apply it multiple times. So I had to go and gather a lot of product. So if you're getting this one, it is cheaper, but you'll run out of it sooner because you have to pick up more and more product for it to show some payoff and for it to show on your skin. But once you do apply it, I do think it gives a nice look, and it has given a little bit of a contour on my face for sure.
Yes.
But it's not as nice as yours. Yours is
I think,
very
I
sharp.
told you, I think 4,000 it's worth it. The quality is worth it, and yeah, I'm ready to pay extra money for this one.
So that's it, guys, for this episode. If you're a noob or are looking for a high-end bronzer, then we would highly recommend the Bobbi Brown one. We can see the results on Vaishnavi's face. That's all from this episode. We will see you guys next time.
Bye.